Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host Farhan Iqbal and you're watching Newspoint. I hope that everybody is doing great. So as we mentioned in our yesterday's video that we had seen that what kind of express entry draw it is going to be and how many people are there in the pool because their data was published on CIC's website I believe by accident yesterday or day before yesterday, and some of our team member they got that screenshot from some of our subscriber, so thank you for sharing that. So we have looking at that data, we predicted very accurately that the cutoff would be 472. I believe if we can show a screenshot of our previous video where we actually mentioned that the cutoff would be 472 and 4200 ITAs would be issued. Let's take a look at today's draw. Draw happened today and the cutoff was 472 and 4200 ITAs were issued. That we had already mentioned in our previous video because that data was kind of leaked by CIC on their website. Let's take a look at the data in detail. So draw number 163 happened on September 16. A total of 4200 ITAs are issued. So anybody who had a rank of 4200 or above will be getting an ITA within the next 2 to 24 hours. This draw happened on September 16, 7:25 UTC, which is really early. I had never seen a draw happening this early in the last few months. So this was published on CIC's website pretty early. 7:25 UTC, I believe in Toronto time is about like 5 a.m. or something, or 4:25 a.m. So this was published on CIC's website, I believe, as early as 9. So the cutoff in this round is 472. And tie-breaking rule is March 09, 2020, 1303. So what does this mean? That anybody who had a score of 473 or higher, no matter whenever they applied, and no matter if they're in FSW or CEC or in whatever category, they will be getting their ITA within the next 2 to 24 hours. However, for those people who are on 472, it would depend when they created their profile. If they created their profile before the March 09, 2020, 1303 UTC, then they will be getting an ITA. Otherwise, if their score is 472 and they created their profile on, let's say, March 10th or March noon afternoon or something, then unfortunately they will have to wait for the next draw because tie-breaking rule is up to March 09. So I would say that everybody above 473 has been cleared off, and those people who are 472, probably half of them are still there because anybody who created their profile in last 4 or 5 months and have a score of 472, they still have to wait for the next draw. So what does this mean? Because now looks like that FSW's draws would happen more regularly, which is a great news. Previous draw was also an FSW all category draw, and today's draw is also all category draw. This is, I believe, after 6 months that this has happened, that we have had FSW draw after FSW draw, because otherwise we were not having FSW draw at all, and then when they started they were having one FSW draw, and then 2 weeks after they were just having PNP and CEC only draw. So if FSW's draw keep on happening, that is there are no PNP and CEC only draws, then as we had predicted in our previous videos, that the cutoff can come down significantly, because although yes, a lot of people are still applying, however now we are seeing that 4200 ITs are being issued, and I believe about 2500 2700 people are applying every 2 weeks. I will analyze the pool data in detail and make our next forecast video, but this is a very great trend. If FSW's draws continue like this, then the CRS score would come down eventually in next 2 to 3 months, because around the world, due to COVID and whatnot, not many people are able to apply at this time. Not even many people are actually willing to apply and move to another country because times are uncertain. They're not sure like what would be the job market when they come into Canada. So that overall has slowed down the process, like how many people are applying. That has definitely slowed down as compared to previous year, or as compared to the beginning of this year, when we saw that about 4,000 people were applying every 2 weeks. So that I do not see happening for the next 2-3 months. So if only 2,700 3,000 people are applying every 2 weeks and ITs are being issued at a rate of 4,200 per 2 weeks, then that means eventually score will come down in each draw, like 1 or 2 points would drop, and then maybe by the end of a year we can have 465 or something like that. But anyways, more detail on that in the next video when we make our forecast video after analyzing the pool data in great detail. If you still haven't subscribed our channel, consider subscribing our channel so that you never miss any updates on any of the Express Entry draws and many other things happening in Canada. Until next time, this is your host Farhan Iqbal signing off. Assalamu alaikum.